Well, this seems to be a fresh controversy and a surprising one when a bank account that was opened in the name of Sunny Leone under the Mahatri Vandan Yojana in Chhattisgarh, in fact, 1,000 rupees that has been paid every month continuously for the last 10 months, and the screenshot of the account that is also surfaced on social media. Now, the Mahatri Vandan scheme that is aimed at empowering women by providing them with a monthly financial incentive of 1,000 rupees that has been operational for over a year. And in the name of Sunny Leone, we are told Govind is also joining us right now. It seems that the fraudster or the swindler managed to create an online bank account and receive 1,000 rupees every month since the scheme was launched. How did it happen in the first place and why did it go unnoticed?
Yeah, absolutely. If we just believe in the record, in fact, Mehtari Bandhan Yojana, according to this beneficiary plan, women of Chhattisgarh given 1,000 rupees every month, and in this planning, this has been in fact revealed that once a screenshot is getting viral on social media that in record of Mehtari Bandhan Yojana, it has been mentioned that Sunny Leone has been getting 1,000 rupees per month for last 10 months, in fact. And now opposition is just putting the question that now the corruption has entered even in the beneficiary plan of state governments in Chhattisgarh, where in Mehtari Vandan Yojana, the record was found on the name of Sunny Leone, and her husband name mentioned as Johnny, in fact, and also she's being mentioned belong to Chhattisgarh's Bastar district, in fact, some village. And now the investigation is started in this case, but it's quite a bizarre case in which it has been recorded in Mehtari Bandhan Yojana that Sunny Leone, the Bollywood star, was getting 1,000 rupees under this beneficiary plan for last 10 months. So now
So
it's
this is
really
Sunny Leone from Chhattisgarh, as it has now been found in an investigation that has uncovered a fraudulent beneficiary registered under the name of Bollywood actor Sunny Leone, who has been receiving a monthly payment of 1,000 rupees from Chhattisgarh government's Mahatri Vandan scheme since March 2024 till December 2024. Thank you very much for the moment, Govind, for joining us with those details.